Hello, so today we just want to look at how to stop tasks that are maybe using your PC memory and slowing it down a bit, or maybe just end tasks or processes that run in the background and slow down your computer speed, because sometimes it's very annoying, especially when you have the not responding messages. So this is all done from the task manager, and the task manager can be accessed from can be accessed in two ways. You can either just go to the search menu and type task manager, then the app will pop up there, or alternatively you just can press Ctrl Alt and delete on your keyboard, and then you'll have the option to select the task manager from there. Now whenever this loads, you have this here. So you can see I have different processes down there. So I have processes, performance, app history, and all that. So in most cases, when processes run in the background, like you can see in this case, I have Bandicam, Google Chrome, Microsoft Word. So these tasks here use your CPU, and therefore your processor, and in one way or the other slow down your computer speed. So how do you stop this? It's very simple. If you want to stop any running process, you just right click on it, and you can either click on end task, or do anything else that you want to do with it. So if I just click on end task here, then the Word program will stop and will not be running in the background. So these are applications, from the task manager, and then there are now these processes down here. So this one means that either it's been launched automatically on startup, or maybe you just set it up to launch automatically. So you can stop any of these applications from the top here, or processes. So it's the same thing. You just right click on anything and you can say end task, then the task will automatically end, and I'll at least give your computer some breathing space, or let it at least be faster. So you can close as many applications, or as many processes, or stop as many processes as you wish, depending on how fast you'd love your PC to be on, or what processes or applications you're using. So you can see from here, there is a repeated Google Chrome app, and it's consuming so much of my memory, and yet there is only one tab open. One window of the same open. It has several tabs back there. So you can stop all this. You can just stop each and every one of them that you're not using. Like you see, Google Chrome has maybe these 6 tabs open within Google Chrome. I can just end the task, and then improve my computer's performance. This something you should note is that it appears differently in different versions of Windows. So you should just be looking for processes, and try to stop them, and also try to stop applications, and that way you will reduce this the memory usage for your PC. Because if you have a smaller memory RAM in that case, and you have too much processes running right here, it will be a bit of a hectic problem for you when a program starts hanging and not responding, and you don't just know how to get out of trouble. So best thing to do, just open your task manager, right click on any application or any process that you like to stop, and click on end task, and you can as well just select it here, as you can see, and either restart or end task, depending on any function that you want to initiate. So that's how you do it. That's how you end the processes and improve your PC's performance. I hope this helps you, and speed up your computer, and maybe make your work a little easier. I'd be grateful if you press on the subscribe button for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Press subscribe and turn on the notification button for more videos. Thank you.